Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tarun again. So today we'll be looking at some nature stuff. So I have this tree behind my house, which probably all the trees are kind of I don't know what it's called, but the tree behind my house it's kind of bleeds blood, literally blood. It does not bleed like human blood. It's kind of blood. It has red fluid in it. So i I actually discovered this thing yesterday only. So today we'll be looking at that. All we need is a bloody knife. I'm not gonna cut the tree. I'll just take a bit part and I'll just show you guys. But when I saw in YouTube and when I put in Google about bleeding trees, there were a few other trees, but I didn't see this tree. So I don't know if it's exactly fluid kind of blood or something. We'll be checking out. So let's go out and see you guys. So guys, we are behind my house. This is the tree I was talking about. It's a thorn tree. It's a thorn tree, guys. So let me show you guys one little bit. So you guys see all these trees inside, it's all the same, and it has such a big huge thorns, and it's kind of, I don't know what they call it, but I call it thorn tree because it has thorns and it is a tree. So let me show you guys. Come on. So this is the part we'll be doing it. So this was yesterday. I did this thing. uh, I don't know if you guys can see it in camera, but this was yesterday's marks. I found this thing yesterday itself. So I don't know if you guys can see, it's a bit red blood kind of thing. So we'll be doing it here. So if I just take this thing off, you can see kind of green color. All the trees obviously are green, but you can see kind of green thing. So if we exactly do this thing, I don't know if you guys can see. Wait, let me just, shit. This thing is so hard and this knife is kind of blunt. Okay guys, see if you guys can see, it's uh, kind of full red blood kind of thing. Here you guys are not able to see it properly. Oh shit. See guys, this is the blood tree I told you guys about. The red blood tree. I call it the thorn tree, but I don't know what exactly is this tree name. So if you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. So this one, I telling you guys, the blood kind of tree. This was the tree I told you. But the one thing I noticed was when I poked it yesterday, it was not so much, but kind of thing. But today it's all dried up and it's kind of gummish glue kind of thing, guys. So this is the thing. Look at this thing right here. It's pretty sticky, guys. I don't know if it's blood or anything. It is red, but it is red. I don't know what it's called also. Let us do some. Oh, this is the perfect spot, guys. I just did this thing. It looks exactly like a human hand got cut kind of blood. See, I'll just do it again. Can you guys see that? It's not all editing shit, guys. Come on. It is true. It looks like exactly like flesh, guys. Oh shit. See, this looks exactly like a wound. If you do it, like if you pretty clearly zoom in, it looks like a wound, but it's not. It's a tree. My hand hurts, guys. So that's it. I think this tree, it's not so much of blood. I'm calling it blood, but it's not blood. I think it's something else which looks like blood. And if something is coming out from a living thing, it's called blood, guys. It's called blood. Trees are living. I'm not killing this thing. This thing Okay, let me show you the thorns. Let me take one thorn out. Okay, here. Ah. Here guys, this is the thorn tree. If this thing pokes your hand or your legs, you'll feel the pain. It is so miserable, guys. I don't know what do they call this tree also, but I call it the thorn tree. I call it the thorn tree. You guys remember the haunted house from my other video? It's that house. It's that house, and this is the forest I told you guys about. I don't know if all these kind of trees bleed. Let's go try that tree. Which one is inside? It's pretty tough to go in. It's pretty tough to go in, but we'll see, guys. I'll try to go in and we'll see if that tree also bleeds to that. Yeah. The reason I'm not wearing mask is I'm right behind my house. That's my house. So that is my house, and the another tree we'll be checking is in there. So before going there, I wanted to tell you about these things. You see this plant, not this thorn plant. This plant, it is this thing is kind of a flower. Oh shit. Okay, let me show you. If you just take this, no, this is, where is it? Okay, if you just take it and you just suck it in, you get this sweet, nice juice. You get the juice. Let me take this one. This looks pretty good. So before drinking the juice, you get this kind of shit, but don't worry, you have to take this thing. Oh shit. We are inside, guys. So this is the tree I was talking about inside. So let's cut it. Wait, guys. My god, this shit is so hard. Few places of the tree the color red is very kind of popping out, but in few places it's really light. Here it's really light, here it's really dark, and here it's really light, guys. So I think that's it. We'll be testing this tree, guys. That's it. I think we'll be testing this tree. So I'll let you guys know if anything is there. So I think that's it for the video. Like, subscribe, and comment down what do you think about this tree and what's the name of this tree. I call it thorn tree, like I told you. So that's it, guys. Follow me on Instagram at Tarun, links in the description, and see you in my next video. Subscribe and ring that bell.